Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna try to make this fast as possible, but I'm just gonna tell you guys what you guys would be expecting on this channel. What you'll see is me rebuilding cars, well, only German cars.
I'm gonna show you guys the car,
and also I do like graphic work and stuff. So I'll be putting some of my illustrations on the channel. Like, it's gonna be about cars. Everything's gonna be related to cars. So yeah, and other thing is, I wanna say I'm sorry in advance for my accent if you guys can't hear it, or having a hard time understanding me. I'm not from here. I speak two other languages, French and Swahili. So that's why my accent is there. So yeah, but everything that I'm doing right now is like a learning process for me. Not fixing cars, but all this YouTube stuff and even fixing cars is also a learning process, because it's certain things that I haven't done, doing like cutting like quarter panels and stuff. All the cars that I bought before were like front end damaged, so I've never really done like quarter panels, but it's easy, it's not that hard. I've also never painted a car because I only bought like good, like expensive cars like Audis and shit. So that's not a car that you want to practice on to paint. That's why I've always took my car to a paint shop. Yeah, you'll see more great cars, rebuilds and illustrations on this channel. So please like and subscribe. And when I first started filming, I was using my phone, and then when I started using the camera, everything was mixed up, like the scenes that I was shooting with my phone and the camera. Now when I'm editing the video, I got myself confused, like where which part goes, and it's taking me like 3 days just to edit the video. But I have experience with doing videos and stuff.
This area,
I used to DJ and doing like
this area here is the only part that
I use Sony Vegas to edit with this video and my other videos. I used to do. The only reason I had a hard time doing these videos because I was not filming in order. That's why everything is messed up. And then I'm also sorry about the way I was holding my phone when I first started recording. I was holding it as in a portrait, or whatever, standing instead of landscape. That's not gonna happen again.
the area that I'm pulling is not all that strong. It's just like thin metal, so it's like shouldn't take that much strength. Later on, like in the future, I'll put another impact bar and do this with this one. I got the car hooked up on the film machine.
I was cruising down on Abbey Street, feeling like an athlete, playing Weezy, baby, dedication to some masterpiece. Might need to get that bag of weed, been thinking crazy. I don't know my purpose anymore, what I am lately. But I know that it ain't about women, and I know that it ain't about winning. And it's probably cause I've been getting energy back from what I've been giving. That's what I heard can happen.
Alright, so today's day 2, working on the car. Yesterday I got the trunk to start closing by itself, so it's like it's closed right now. And I also got the bar, this impact bar. It's not touching anymore. That part is done with.
That's what I need. Now park that car, now get that bag, now roll that weed. Now spark that up, now smoke that Dutch, now be a G. I've been at places they offer PCP, man. What the fuck I'm doing? Man, what the fuck I've been doing? I've been trying to ask you that for years, dog. It feel like nobody around me take me serious when I say I'm going through it. Watch you what? Fucking do it. Look, I was cruising down on Abbey Street, feeling like an athlete. I don't wanna think no more, I wanna get some Cali tree. I don't wanna think no more, I wanna get a bag of weed. I just wanna make some shit that people call a masterpiece. Write down all my fears and roll it up and take a hit.
Except for this little corner.
I don't wanna write down all my fears and roll it up and take a hit. Just take a hit. But I don't wanna think.
I am not taking the car to the salvage test at the DMV. Alright, so as you guys can see, it started raining. I'm not snowing. But good news is the Saab passed the DMV salvage inspection. So that's one good thing. Let me show you guys, the tail lights were so I was thinking I was going to fail, but I told that guy at the DMV that I couldn't find any cheap tail lights, and I ordered the plastics for it, the red part. But I did get cheaper headlights. I'm not tail lights. They're cheap. The newer models, 08 to 2011 models, for $150. The sub is all done. I want to reveal my next rebuild project. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the flip side.
Hey, okay, you summertime fine. Goddamn, I need you, that Chanel number 9. And those panties is see-through. See you shopping by yourself, perfect timing. Nice to meet you. Girl, where your husband? He was bugging, thinking that he could leave you walking. Mesmerized by those lips, so baby, keep on talking. Those Joker pants got me hypnotized like I'm Biggie Papa. The way you throw it back, girl, I might need a doctor. Nobody home.